Are you looking for the best drones for under $200? In this video we will look at some of the best drones for under $200 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Holystone HS110G. A drone may be a terrific idea to ignite creativity, adventure, and a new dimension to your relationship. No matter what you and your sweetie like doing together or whether you want to share a new interest, the drone is the best choice to supply unique images and films to share with my friends and family and publish on social media to encourage others. I used my Holystone HS110G drone to capture a beautiful moment with my loved one. Plus, I wanted to test my drone. We captured a lot of pictures and videos on the seashore. As my spouse and I grow older, I'll be able to reflect on what I've made and recreate these memories with the most crucial person in my life, each other. It boasts a more excellent picture quality and a wider variety of shooting angles than a typical 720p camera drone, thanks to its 1080 HD 110 degrees field of view camera and first-person view transmission. On your phone, you may enjoy a stunning real-time view with the Holystone app linked to a flying quadcopter camera. This drone's head and tail are visible thanks to 4 brilliant LED navigation lights, making night flight a fun option. Number 2, Potensic T25. My first drone flight was with the Potensic T25 drone. What a fantastic adventure. It was ideal for a novice and relatively simple to grasp. The camera produces stunning images. I was so focused on keeping an eye on the drone during my maiden flight that I forgot to snap any shots. Every time I've flown, it's been a thrilling experience. For a novice, this is an excellent investment. So far, I'm pleased with my purchase. I ran into a couple of objects and barely scratched the blades slightly. It hasn't been damaged in any way. For little incidents, it is pretty resilient. It is something I would suggest to anyone interested in learning how to. 2K 120 degrees FOV Wi-Fi camera featuring a 2K 120 degrees FOV lens real-time transmission camera. It can record crisp images even when the drone is flying at fast speeds, allowing me to view what it sees, making it perfect for capturing a specific location or simply looking about. Track me under GPS placement. The drone will be able to detect my phone, allowing the camera constantly to follow my steps and capture my every move while taking aerial images. Number 3, Ruko F11 Pro FHD. Why settle for the average old when hanging the perfect photo in your living room, office, or social media profile? I love to take my portrait from an aerial angle instead of the usual eye-level shots. For that fantastic shots, my forever partner has been this unique featured drone called Ruko F11 Pro FHD. It has a shock absorption function that helps reduce camera shake, resulting in better video quality and making it simpler to acquire a clear and smooth image. It can save your important events by making them especially memorable. The 4K UHD camera with shock absorption reduces blurriness and provides you with a clear and stable image. 4K/3040x2160p. Through the app, the 90 degrees adjustable camera with a 120 degrees FOV lens can capture the view in every precious moment, and it also supports advantage 5 GHz FPV, live video, transmission up to 25 fps. Which provides a stable and smooth video and a range of 1,614 feet. With level 6 wind resistance and speeds up to 12 meters per second, durable alloy brushless motors provide a fast, quiet, and powerful flight. A dual GPS, one in the drone and the other in the controller, activates the ability of pressure altitude hold and keeps the drone moving accurately. Number 4, Contixo F22. America's Got Talent is a well-known show we are all familiar with. One night, my younger brother and I watched a fantastic show in front of the television. Suddenly, 4 men of all ages emerged and performed a spectacle I had never seen before. The Drone Light Spectacle was a drone show that used 160 enormous drones. I had the notion of establishing something similar for my final year project. It is a topic that no one at my college has ever worked on. To complete my final year tasks, I employed my most dependable partner, Contixo F22. Tap onto numerous spots to design your flight route, or set up a point on the app to let the F22 drone fly in circular patterns. This function will aid the pilot in devoting more time to creativity and photography. The Contixo F22 drone can transmit video over up to 750 feet. You can take pictures and videos for 15-20 minutes while flying, allowing you to soar further. Number 5. Holy Stone HS440. I wanted to carry a drone with me on my hiking adventures. I needed something small and light, and I got it. A drone with long battery life, a camera that can adjust during the flight, most notably with a protective carrying case, a low price point so I could easily manage my trip expenses. The Holy Stone HS440 was a rare find. Holy Stone HS440 offers one-of-a-kind immersion into all facets of drone flight and culture, where everything is joyful, with extensive improvements to its extraordinary craftsmanship and quality control, creative and stunning features, and varied fly modes. A 1080p camera is incorporated into the drone, allowing it to shoot high-resolution photos and movies. Furthermore, the 90-degree adjustable lens allows you to experience the environment from various perspectives. Number 6. Holy Stone HS175D. I had been looking for a that can deliver high-resolution video. Money was a significant problem for me. I could not afford a high-end camera drone due to the cost of my courses. I ran upon advertising and bought this excellent drone camera for my YouTube channel. I recently acquired the Holy Stone HS175D drone. This drone can automatically track and follow me, flying in circles around a place or following your chosen route. When I smile for the camera, it takes a picture or a video, letting me enjoy the fantastic flight. The drone follows you around and takes pictures of you wherever you go. Staying in the frame makes it easier to get detailed images. Hands-free flying and selfies are possible with this feature. Thanks to GPS finding, I can always know where your drone is. The drone will automatically return if it loses signal or runs out of battery. The kit includes 2 modular batteries,